Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Crypto Consortium. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to sign up with Binance, currently the world's most popular exchange. Just a quick history on Binance. They're based in Singapore and Hong Kong with operations in London and Tokyo. They're the fastest exchange in the world, processing 1.4 million transactions a second. Binance has grown at an unprecedented pace and is now favored by most cryptocurrency traders and investors. So to start, use this link right here, which will also be in the description. From there you'll sign up. Binance doesn't usually require ID verification or anything too hard, so the verification and signing up process will be pretty fast. Once you sign up, sign in and you'll be led to the home page. Here you can see a quick overview of trending currencies and currencies that you favorited. To begin trading on here, you'll need to fund your wallet with Bitcoin or Ether. If you don't have Bitcoin or Ether, check out my previous video on how to buy some on Coinbase. To fund your wallet, hover over Funds and then click Deposit/Withdrawals. From here, select the coin that you want to fund your wallet with and then click on Deposit. This is where you'll be sending your cryptos of choice to. Copy and paste this address to the wallet that you're using. If you're using Coinbase, click Send under Accounts. Then paste the address there. You can't see it on mine because I don't have any funds on Coinbase. I keep my funds mostly on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S, which I have more control over and it's safer. I'll be making a video soon about how to get a hardware wallet and set it up. After that, you'll have to wait for the transfer to occur into your Binance wallet. If you sent Bitcoin, it might take a few hours sometimes. Ether will only take a few minutes usually. And now you're all set up on Binance and ready to begin trading. Be sure to subscribe for my next video where I will detail how to buy and sell on Binance. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.